She may be a fox, but she's not a bridezilla. Megan Fox is more relaxed than fiancé Machine Gun Kelly when it comes to wedding planning, Taurus movie director Tim Sutton claims. Supposedly, Machine Gun Kelly is a bridezilla more than she, Fox, is because she's been through it before, Sutton told Us Weekly on Thursday. Fox, 36, and actor Brian Austin Green married in June 2010 and split in May 2020. The director added that he the rocker and actress wedding planning advice occasionally, but tried not to overwhelm them. Their every move is recorded and I made it my space to, work with them dramatically, answer questions, be there if they needed, but to give them their space. Although MGK, née Colson Baker, and Fox are headed for the altar, they play exes in Taurus, the upcoming film in which they both star. Their personal life feeds the role, Sutton said. Everything from reality feeds the fiction in this movie and everything in the fiction feeds the reality, so when we're watching it, you're getting Colson and Megan Fox. The 32-year-old musician started dating Fox in spring 2020 after meeting on the set of their movie Midnight in the Switchgrass, and got engaged 2 years later. Last month, the punk rock couple sparked rumors that they had already tied the knot and were expecting a baby when Kelly referred to Fox as his wife and mentioned their unborn child at the 2022 Billboard Music Awards. Neither of the celebs addressed the speculation, but the Jennifer's Body star praised her soon-to-be husband for his vulnerability. "Baby, so proud of you for giving such a vulnerable and emotional performance," she wrote on Instagram at the time. The rocker shares daughter Casey, 12, with ex-Emma Cannon, while the actress has 3 sons, Noah, 9, Bodhi, 8, and Journey, 5, with ex-husband Brian Austin Green.